Hello students, today you're going to be taking Chapter 8 quiz, and the first part of this quiz is that it's asking you to find the radius of a circle. Now remember that a radius of the circle is just this halfway point. So if you want half of this, you need to take 9 and divide it by 2. And you're going to do the same for the bottom, and that's going to give you the radius. On the last step, we divided by 2 to get the radius. Now they're giving us the radius and they want you to find the diameter. So you need to take your 3 and multiply it by 2 to get the whole diameter. And the same goes for this one. And you're just going to type your answers in like right here. If it gets cut off, you can tab it and type it over here. That's fine. And then your next problems are 5 and 6, and I helped set them up over here. So it's asking you to find the circumference of a circle. Please remember that the circumference of the circle is the distance around the circle. And you're going to, this formula is for radius. This one I will actually change it and make it for the diameter to make it a little bit easier for you. So you take your radius and you times it by 2, and then you times it by 3.14. For this one, you take the diameter for 6, so this one is 6, and you times it by 3.14 to get the circumference or the distance around your circle. The next ones they're asking you to do is find the perimeter of the figure. And you need to find the missing sides and then add your missing sides. So the first one is you're going to use the same formula that we just used before to get and you need to find the circumference of a semicircle. So first of all, I would recommend using a paper and a pencil or somewhere so you can easily write this down because it's going to be a two-step problem. So you're going to take 8, which is your diameter of your circle. You're going to multiply that by 3.14. And that would give you the circumference of the whole circle. But because you only have half of a circle, you're then going to divide it by 2. And then you're going to use that answer, write that answer down somewhere over here so you don't forget it. And then you're going to add your remaining sides together. So you're going to take this number plus this number and this number, which is the same as this from above, and then add it to your semicircle. And that is going to give you the perimeter of your figure. You're going to do the same down below for 9. You're going to figure out if this is 1 right here, that means that this is going to be 1. If this is 3, this is going to be 3. Your last tricky one is 8, and you're going to use you're going to add up all of your sides, but you're going to use your formula for your triangle. Actually, your triangle they already gave you, so you just add up all your sides, and you guys are going to do awesome on this quiz. If you have any questions, please email me.